Would you believe a man once grew his own volcano? It happened on the 20th of February 1943 on a farm near the city of Uruapan in Mexico. On that day, a farmer, Dionisio Pulido, was toiling away in his cornfield when a slight tremor shook the ground. Tremors were common in that area of the world, and he ignored it. Suddenly, a fissure opened in the ground. Acrid smoke and hot ash started spewing from the opening and was soon followed by molten rock. Terrified, the farmer fled. By the next morning, there was a small hill. A week later, the hill had grown to almost 38 meters high, but continued to erupt and grow. A year later, the hill had reached a height of 336 meters. The volcano kept growing. Lava and ash spread over an area 25 square kilometers that covered not only the farm, but also the small town of Paricutin, after which the volcano was named. Over the following 8 years, the volcano showed no sign of slowing its growth. But by 1952, the eruptions had ceased. What had once been a peaceful cornfield was now a major volcano 3,188 meters high. Paricutin is the 7th largest volcano in the world.